Okay, I'm gonna show you how to combine cells. It's pretty easy. You hit the equal sign, hit the cell you want to combine, and then type the and sign, and then go to the next cell. You see how I combined it? And if you want to copy this, just come here and double click, and it copies it all the way down. And you see you don't have a space. Say for instance, you want to put a space in between there. Only thing you have to do is click on that cell. And right here, you put a quote, space, quote, and then you want that and sign again. And hit enter. As you see it, put a space in between it. And you can copy that down. I'm gonna scroll down so you can see. So that's how you put a space. That's how you combine cells together. I'm gonna show you the easiest way. You can use that concatenate. You can hit your text and your second, and you hit enter. And you see how, and you can copy it down. Say for instance, you want to put a space in between. The only thing you have to do is hit the equals. That again, A1, quote, space, quote, B2. As you can see, it put a space. And say for instance, you don't want this formula. As you click up here, you see the formula. Let's copy the first three. I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the formula. You copy it, you right click and hit copy, paste special, values only. Hit OK and hit enter. Now if you click on that cell, the formula has went away. So the first three formulas is gone. You see the other ones have formulas in it. So that's how you get rid of your formulas. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day. Thank you.